Okay, part 3 is my favorite. Let's do this step by step. Okay, so the first thing you'll do, you notice the stem is downward. That's actually your left hand, and then your right hand will play the next 2 notes on the black keys, and you'll slide up to the white keys. And you do it again, same thing. Now we'll go backwards. We'll play the C and then start on the white key and walk down the hill and then down one more. And everything else is just a repeat. White, black, white, left, right, right, left, right, right, right. Let's speed that up again. Here we go. So we go left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, 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 and again, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, 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 and you finish on the C and the E. All right, let's put that whole song together. All right, enjoy that song. This is a really good one. There's some great techniques you'll learn with this. Make sure to play it musical. We'll see you on the next fundamentals piece.